A rich tradition and vast experience in food manufacturing, Kwong Thye manufactures and trades sauces for food suppliers in more than 10 countries, supplying more than 90% of the prestige hotel and restaurants in Singapore. However, Kwong Thye face challenges against the counterfeit market, especially for export to China market. Working with iSprint, Kwong Thye implemented the AccessReal solution to resolve the counterfeit issue. Redesigning the product packaging, a dual-layer QR code was introduced to each and every individual bottle of Kwong Thye sauce to enable product authentication and more. Consumers can receive more product information by using WeChat QR code scanner to scan the exposed layer QR code, while the hidden layer allows consumers to authenticate their purchase instantly. As consumers scan to authenticate their purchases, Kwong Thye can now identify who are their consumers, and with information on customer demographics, target marketing can be made possible. Since implementation, Kwong Thye has seen an increase of sales and decrease in counterfeited goods in the market. With the success of Kwong Thye project in mind, iSprint's clients can further leverage other advanced features of AccessReal such as blockchain for track and trace, product recall for compliance, warranty registration for customer engagement, clone-proof QR code for anti-counterfeit and etc. to meet their brand protection and direct engagement requirements. For more information on AccessReal, please contact iSprint.